here I would like to create one mail ID. So there is gmail.com is there. So here you could see it will show something like this. I will create a form of personal use. Here it is. So first have to provide something content over here, which means our details, known as here M Babu, and this is for optional. I will go with next, and here you could see month. I will go with July with the date of 9th and 1989, and here I will assign gender. Then after that here is the Gmail ID. So code I will go with coding Raja. So let me see whether the mail ID available or not. CODING RAGA. Next, so it won't there it not the Gmail not available. Coding Raja, code Raja. I will go with the code 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 RAGA. Let me see. Code Raja also not available. What I will do is I will go with the code CODE coding Raja. Let me check it out. So not available this one as well. C Raja, which means code Raja. So I will go with this one. Even this one also not available, but I need that name itself for my mail ID. So I will try for good name. So here we could say code COD COD code Raja is there. Next this one also not available. Yeah, what happening? So here you could see my code Raja. Yeah, yes, it's available, and I will go with the password as well. So what I will do is, yeah, here you could see, and then after that I will provide something over here, and there here you could see, just hit next. Okay, and then after that I will go with so this is my mobile number, and now you could see I provided my modem number itself. So here we will get that code over here, 456132. So here you could see 4566132, and hit next over here. Here you could see and recovery email ID. So what I will do is code IT take at the rate of and gmail.com over here, and I will hit next. Now you could see my code Raja at gmail.com, and then here I will authenticate my details over here and hit I agree, and now you could see this is my mail ID. So here you could see this is my mail ID, and my mail ID is my code Raja at the gmail.com. I can access and use my mail ID for further recordings and further process.